Now, what's interesting about Google AI Studios is that it can be used for so many complex things, but it can also be used for simplistic things. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on in today's video. So when it comes to creating an account, as long as you've got a Gmail email address, you're going to be able to sign up again for completely free. And once you've logged in, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now, what I'm going to use it for in this particular video is to show you how I would find a winning product that I can start selling, or you can start selling, with the help of Google services, Google Shopping, Google Search, so on and so forth. So the prompt that I'm going to type in is going to be something along the lines of find 10 evergreen dropshipping products between $30 to $100 that are lightweight, suitable for the pet niche. Also show me their demand using Google Trends. Again, because Google is the biggest website in the entire world, it's the #1 search engine. Billions of people go onto it all around the world searching for various different products to buy. We can now use Google AI Studio that's connected to Google Trends and the Google search engine to figure out which e-commerce products are selling well. So I'm just going to type this in and then click on run. And within a few seconds, it should come back with, different products that I'm going to be able to go away and double check to make sure that people are definitely searching for them. Let me just take this one over here as an example. Let's use automatic pet feeder. Apparently it's doing really well on Google Trends and it's, selling for a decent price. So I'm just going to come over to googletrends.com. And then what I'm going to do is just paste the keyword in there just like that and then click on explore. And as we can see, ever since 2004 up until present day, people have consistently gone onto Google to search for this keyword. And I'm now going to be able to go away and find a supplier that's going to be able to source it for me. But again, that was just a simplistic way that you can use the Google AI Studio. There's more complex ways, and I've got another video coming out real soon that's going to break down those methods. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss those future videos. But this actually now brings me on to one of the second free AI tools that you can use that don't require any payments, which is AEO. Now, AEO is a tool that Alibaba.com built. It's one of their latest projects, and it was created as a way to help people like you when it comes to finding suppliers that are going to be able to source you with a product that you're thinking about selling. Not only can you use it when it comes to finding suppliers, but you could just use it when it comes to general business research for any dropshipping product or any ecom product. If you're thinking about selling on Amazon, maybe you're thinking about building up a Shopify dropshipping store, this is definitely a useful AI tool to use. And to quickly show you how it works, I'm going to be using the same product that Google AI Studio came back with, which is the automatic pet feeder. And let's assume that I wanted to find a supplier, not any supplier, but one of the best ones. I'm just going to type in a prompt like this. I'm going to say, show me the suppliers that can offer me the automatic pet feeder at a really good price. I want to see verified suppliers that offer the best quality and fast shipping. Then what I would advise you to do is make sure that you turn this one on that says deep search. What this is going to do is tell AEO to make sure that they really analyze the prompt that you typed in and give you the best response back. So I'm just going to leave it like this. You could be a lot more detailed if you want, but I'm going to keep it quite simple and then click on search. Okay, so there we go. It's already started the process of coming back with all of these different suppliers. And as you can see, every single one of them is verified and most of them have been on the platform for multiple different years. And if I haven't already mentioned, the reason why using an AI tool like AEO is really powerful is because Alibaba.com is actually one of the main ways that sellers all around the world, people that you're probably buying from on a daily basis right now, are sourcing their products. I would estimate that 70% of the sellers on platforms like Amazon are using Alibaba when it comes to buying their products cheaply so that they can list it for a higher price and make a profit. But this now brings me on to one of the next AI tools that I want to show you that doesn't require any payment when it comes to using it, which is this one over here that's going to build you an e-commerce website. And if you're someone that doesn't want to sell products on platforms like Amazon and you would rather build up a store that allows you to list products, and every single time that you make a sale, it's going to be your supplier that's going to ship it out, this is the AI tool that you need to use. I'm going to leave it linked down below so you can check it out, but this is one that I've shown on my channel quite recently. It's one that I use myself when it comes to building stores really quick. They've recently updated the theme that it's going to come back with. So you're going to be able to get a high converting theme so that whenever a non-paying customer lands on your site, there's a high chance that it's going to turn it into a paying customer. By no means am I saying that it's going to be completely easy when it comes to using this and there's not going to be any work on your part. You're still going to have to put the work in. You're still going to have to drive traffic to your site. But by using this, you're going to be able to get a store built, fully loaded with proven winning products. And you've got the option to add any new product that you want on the store as well. But changing gears slightly and moving on to the next free AI tool, which is this one over here that I'm sure that you've heard of, which is DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek is one of the latest tools that I've personally been using when it comes to helping me with various different online businesses. And there's also so many different ways that you can use it when it comes to starting so many different side hustles. Now, if you're confused on what type of side hustle that you want to start, if you're a complete beginner, I would advise that you use this quiz over here. So this is a quiz that I made myself, and at the end of it, depending on what answers you selected, it's multiple choice, really easy to get through. It's going to give you a prompt that you're now going to paste into DeepSeek, and from there you're going to be able to get a full step-by-step business plan. But let me quickly show you how it works. So once you access the quiz by clicking the link in my description, you're just going to select what type of product you want to sell. So let's say if you're someone that wants to sell digital products, you're going to click on this. You're also going to say how many hours you want to work. You know, if you're someone that wants to make passive income, or maybe you got more time, you can select this option. But for now, I'm just going to click on A. It's then going to ask you what type of digital product you want to sell, either spreadsheets, ebooks, or educational guides. In this example, I'm going to click on educational guides, and for the niche, I want it to be centered around business and marketing because this is where my expertise lie. And when it comes to how do I plan to sell it, I'm going to select that I want to sell it on my own website. Okay, perfect. So this is the prompt that you're going to copy. You're just going to copy it from between these lines right here. Don't worry, you don't need to read it because it's already taken into consideration all of your different answers. From there, once you've copied it, you're just going to come back onto DeepSeek and click on Start Now. Just paste the prompt in here just like this. Also make sure that you've selected the DeepThink R1 option because again, it's going to give you a more detailed response. And then from there, you can now click on enter. And just like that, as you can see, it's already gone straight to work to analyze the prompt that I typed in. This is the good thing about DeepSeek, in my personal opinion, is that it takes time to think about the response that it's going to give you. Just from reading this alone, you're going to see that it's having a conversation with itself, and you're going to be able to pick up on certain things before it gives you the final answer. But right here, DeepSeek has now come back with this business plan, you know, broken down in terms of the type of digital product that I should sell based on the inputs that I put into the quiz, the pricing strategy, how I can market the different digital products, you know, different names that I can choose for this new business, and just some other things to help you when it comes to selling the digital product in the best way possible. So be sure to check that quiz by clicking the link in my description. But this now brings me on to one of the next AI tools that you can use without having to spend a single dollar, which is going to be with Gamma.app. Now, Gamma is one that I've shown on this channel multiple different times. And the reason why it's really good is because it's going to help you when it comes to building a digital product in combination with the business plan that you got from DeepSeek. And that might sound a little bit confusing, but let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So with this digital product business, essentially what I'm going to be selling is educational guides when it comes to helping people with their marketing, when it comes to helping them use tools like ChatGPT to run their online business, you know, things like SEO mastery, so on and so forth. But if we just come back over to this business plan, you're going to see that there is a prompt for Gamma.app that you're going to be able to copy just like this. Come back over to it, click on generate once you've created your account, and just paste the prompt in here just like this. My recommendation if you're thinking about using Gamma when it comes to selling a digital product is that you want to try and add as much value to it. And one of the ways that you can do that is by increasing the length of it. So as you can see, I've got a pro account, so I'm going to be able to do the maximum length, which is 50 cards. But if you've got a free account, I believe the maximum is around 15 cards, but I'm just going to select 10 because I don't want this video to be too long. Then what I'm going to do is click on generate outline. And from there, what Gamma is going to do is come back with a detailed outline for your educational guide, you know, all of the different units, all of the different modules that's going to be in your course. So it's going to be from this point that you can make any changes to it before it actually starts processing it. You know, you can move things around. If I want this to be up there, I can do that. If I want to make any changes to it, I can edit it. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm also going to choose this theme over here. It looks really clean. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to say that I want it to be detailed. That's what I would advise you to do as well. And then just click on generate. And if you've watched my channel before, you've already seen how quick Gamma is when it comes to doing exactly what you've told it to do. Right here on the screen, it's already started producing this educational info product that I'm going to be able to sell on the internet to start earning a passive source of income. And you're going to be able to do the exact same thing. Literally within a few minutes, it's going to be able to come back with everything you need when it comes to, starting the process of you selling it. Of course, you can make changes to it. You can change the graphics. You can add images. You can change the text. You can do whatever you want. There's complete autonomy when it comes to how you want the end product of your info product to be. But this now brings me on to one of the next free AI tools that you can use as a complete beginner, which is going to be a voice generation tool called 11 Labs. Now, when it comes to generating AI voices, there's so many different ways that you can monetize this on the internet. You can use it when it comes to producing content on TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use realistic AI voices that people are not going to be able to tell the difference. But you can also use AI generated voices when it comes to the info product that you made. You can combine an AI voice over the digital product. And again, that's going to add even more value. So instead of your customers having to read all of this information themselves, you're going to essentially turn it into video lectures. Use a tool like 11 Labs when it comes to put in a voiceover so that whenever the customer buys it from you, they can either read it, they can get the voiceover, but it's just a way of you increasing the amount of value. But let me just quickly show you how that works, right? So if I just get a chunk of text, I'm going to copy this text over here and then open up 11 Labs. Again, you're going to be able to try it for free as it says on their website. So just click on this, create your account, and from there it's going to log you in. Now for now, I'm just going to paste the text in here just like this. But when it comes to the different voices, you can either clone your own voice, or what you can do is get any one of these different voices right here, British, American, whatever you want. You've got all of these different options. So I'm going to select Bill for this example and click on generate speech. It's already been able to do it. So what I'm going to do is just click on play just so that you can get an idea of exactly how it sounds.
Welcome to your comprehensive guide to transforming your small business marketing with artificial intelligence. Over the next 50 pages, you will discover game-changing strategies that once required entire marketing departments, but are now at your fingertips.
So there you go. I'm sure that you're blown away at how quick I was able to do that. From there, I'm going to be able to export this clip and, do what I need to do on the back end when it comes to pairing it with the info product. But this is definitely a useful tool to use if you're someone that doesn't want to use their own voice on the internet. But on to the 7th free AI tool, which is one that not that many people know about, and it's called Julius.ai. Now, this one is another one that you can use when it comes to creating specific digital products that are generating thousands of dollars every single day right now as we speak. I'm currently using it right now as we speak. It's a powerful tool, really easy to use, and you're going to be able to use it again with no money. So if you want to check out that video where I'm going to go step by step into detail as to how you can use this tool, Julius AI, when it comes to building a sellable digital product within a matter of minutes, I'm going to leave that video right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this. Ever since I released that video, I've gotten so many different emails and DMs from people that have been able to capitalize from the information in that video. So I'm sure if you're able to watch it from start to finish, you're going to be able to take action, start a side hustle from your bedroom using AI that doesn't require any money whatsoever. So I'll catch you guys in that video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.